Happy Wednesday, guys. We hope that you are having a wonderful week so far. I had a little bit of I think it's dress to impress. I don't have a whole lot of fancy clothes here, so I picked a cute little dress top. So I hope you guys are also dressing to impress. I'd love to see your photos. Send them to us. Let us know, even for Crazy Sock Day or Dress Up Day or any other day that you guys are doing. So if you would like to do that, go for it. And yeah, so let's get started. I actually thought about doing something different this week, or maybe even continuing it, is going over our assessment from the day before. But I don't really want to give you guys the answers. I want to give you guys time to do them. So maybe I will start doing like a assessment review or something on Friday. So, all right. So let's get started on day 2. Day 2. Alrighty. So let's look at this. And I have my own paper as well, so I can follow along with you guys. All right. There are 48 students in the playground. The teacher puts the students into 8 equal groups. How many students are in each group? Well, let's draw this out, shall we? All right, 48 students on the playground. We know that. The teacher puts them into equal groups, 8 of them. So I'm going to draw 8 equal groups. Okay, I have my 8 equal groups. 48 of them. So we need to go until we count to 48. So I'm just going to count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Whew, not there yet. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. We are there. Let's see how many we have in all the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it looks like. So that means we have 8 groups of 6 students. So that is our equation, 8 times 6. So what does 8 times 6 equal? So we know it equals 48. There are blank students in each group. How many students did we say? Let's look at our equation. So we know that 8 equals the number of groups, and we know that 6 is the number in each group. So there are 6 students in each group. So you're going to write a number 6 on that one. Okay, that was pretty easy. Let's move on to number 2. Danny started cleaning his room at the time shown on the clock. What time did he start cleaning his room? Okay, let's look. So, I do not, unfortunately, have a clock with me, but that is okay. We'll get through this one together. Danny started cleaning his room at the time shown on the clock. So, we have the hour hand on the 5. The minute hand is almost touching the 3. Now, if we can remember, we always have to count by 5s when we're talking about minutes. So let's look. What time did he start cleaning his room? So he started cleaning his room at this time. So let's look. Our hour hand, we know, is on the 5. Well, let's look. Does it say 5 something anywhere? It says 5 minutes. Let's look. 5 minutes after 3. We know the hour hand is not on the 3. That's the minute hand. So is it 5? So is it 3:05? No. So A is not correct. So let's cross out A. B, 15 minutes after 5. Possibly. Let's look. Let's see. We know it's 5. So it's after 5. So we know it's right. 15. Ooh, 15 would be right on the 3. It looks like it might not be quite on the 3. It might be that line right after. So let's see. 5, 10, 15. If it's on the line after, it would be 16. So 15 minutes after 5? No. Let's cross that one. 25 minutes after 3. Well, we already said in the beginning that it's not 3 o'clock. So we know it can't be anything that has to be after 3. So that's wrong. Oh, let's look at D. 16 minutes after 5. Didn't we just say that it was 5, 10, 15, 16? We did. So D is your answer. All right. Now, number 3. Samuel is covering a square part of his yard with bricks. The square part has a length of 10. I'm going to stop right there for a minute. So I can get my whiteboard back and ready to show. Wish I had an eraser with me. That's okay. Okay. So, let's read this again. Samuel is covering a square part of his yard. Okay. Got my square. The square part has a length of 10 feet. How many square feet of his yard will Samuel cover with bricks? Well, let's see. We need to know the square part of the length, or the square part has a length of 10. He wants to cover his yard with bricks. So that means we need to find the area, not the perimeter. So if I have a square, we know our square has all equal sides. So that's why I made our width 10 feet as well. So we need to know the whole thing. So if I need to know the area, I know I need to do 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is so easy. Trust me. It might be double digits, but you can do it. So we know that we're going to take 1 times 1, and it's 1, and then you're going to take the zeros. So it's 0, 0. So it's 100. So A says 5. No. B says 20. I mean, if you were adding these, but are we adding those? No. 50? No. Or 100. And if you said 100, you are correct. So that is letter D. Nice job. 100 square feet. Nice job, guys. All right. Well, I will be looking for you tomorrow, and I hope that you see these videos and it is reminding you of what we learned in school, and hopefully we'll be back there soon. We miss you guys. Bye.